This is Vuk Karadzic's house. This is Saint Michael the Archangel, patron saint of our family Karadzic. The most famous Karadzic was Vuk Karadzic, who is founder of modern Serbian culture. He revived Serbian medieval culture, which was buried down in memory of people during long centuries of Turkish occupation. And that's his portrait. We have this thing in common. My son has it also. My favorite epic is probably Last Supper, which has something to do with Jesus Christ's secret supper, and is symbolizing Serbian faith. And after that Last Supper, we have lost our empire. Tsar Lazar is conceived to be saint because of his sacrifice.
I one će oči da mi vode.